all the people that used to ask me, what can I use to dark spots? What can I use for dark spots? What can I use for those spots? What can I use for those spots? What can I do for dark spots? What can I use for dark spots? Please, I've reviewed products for you. Take it and use it wisely. Watch this video to know how to use it, please. Don't say Naomi said to go and use dark spot corrector and my face became multicolored. You are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about skincare, lifestyle, what's buzzing in the skincare industry, what to do, what not to do, and all of that. Don't forget, we are also your one-stop shop for skincare products, ingredients, and supplements as well. Okay, so today's video is a requested video from one of my subscribers, and so I'm going to be just giving my own personal review. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Miss White DSR dark spot remover. If you've seen my video on white secrets, I also talk about the white secret face cream. I talk about what black spot removers, dark spot removers are. And so this is one of the holy grails right now when it comes to removing dark spots, and we will get into it in a minute. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you get to see important videos like this and you'll be notified. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post videos like this, so you get first-hand information about these things. But sometimes if you don't get notified, you'll be lost and you go and buy something that you're not supposed to buy and waste all the money in the world when you can actually get affordable things and still get good results. Okay, so be smart and turn on that notification bell. All right, so let's get into this video. I'm going to just be reading out what's here. It says Miss White DSR is your ally for flawless skin and an even complexion. This concentrated, emphasis on concentrated product, specifically targets difficult areas like elbows, hands, knees. Dark spots disappear. The complexion is even toned, more radiant, smooth. Blah blah blah. The ingredients here are water, petroleum jelly, light oil, stearic acid, glycerin, alpha hydroxyl acid, kojic acid, allantoin, silicone, BHT, stearyl alcohol, carrot oil, perfume. It is made in Abuja, so it's an African product. Okay, you know how people with their hot concentrated products. Emphasis on concentrated. This is a concentrated product. It says results in 5 days. That's not a lie actually. You might begin to see results. They do not say to completely erase. You begin to see results as early as 5 days. All right, so let's say for example this product is very concentrated, like I said. So what I usually recommend, I see stearic acid in it, and honestly stearic acid for me when it comes to dealing with like dark spots is a no-no. But keep in mind that this is for dark feet, hands, elbow, even on the packaging. That is what it says. But so people have turned black spot correctors to dark spot correctors. It's a dark spot corrector, not a black spot. Black spot correctors are the ones used on your face and things like that. But this is the Miss White face cream, so as well use it on the face. I mean, it's for the face, right? So knowing how to use this product is key because it's a bleaching product. There's no two ways about it. So if you are dark skinned, what you can do is use this product every other day. If you have it on specific areas, like for me now, I have like spots on my chin. It's easy for me to just apply in that area, right? Whereas compared to somebody that has like all over their face. So what I would say for someone who has it all over their face is you take a pea-sized, get a cotton bud, and apply on those. It's a lot of effort, but trust me, take it, apply on those areas. It's better than apply it all over your face. If you apply it all over your face will be very discolored, because just like most acne, pimple, dark spots creams that people sell, it will brighten your face because it's dealing with the spots. Now your spots will be lightening, but your face will also be becoming bright and makes the spot even more visible. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So if you have this on key areas, this is what people that are dark skin, If you have this on key areas, apply directly in that area. If you are fair, you can still do the same method. You guys do the same method because it will be brightening your face as it goes. Another thing again you can do is you can dilute it. You can take small, put water, dilute the water, as in like make it very all on your wet face. Just take small pea-sized amount. This thing works, honestly, it works. Pea-sized amount of this. When I say like, maybe even pea, small like this, small like this. Even the smell will tell you that it's a conk product. Just take small. Take it from here. Bam. You don't finish. You are done. Just that area. You are done. You are done, because if you apply this all over your face, your face will look bleached. It is a very, very, very effective dark spot corrector. You can use it on your hands and feet and elbows and all of that, but when it comes to your face, just take a pea-sized. I don't even take pea-sized. See, I still have some left, and just put it on that area. I'm going to wash your hand when you finish, because it is a very concentrated product. That is how concentrated it is. Okay? And for some people, it doesn't really brighten their face, but me, I tell you, when you use this in more than 1-2 weeks, your face is going to be visibly brighter, for sure. So use it the way I just said to use it. Come back and come and tell me how it went. This is what people that used to ask me, what can I use to dark spots? What can I use for dark spots? What can I use for those spots? What can I use for those spots? What can I do for dark spots? What can I use for dark spots? Please, I've reviewed products for you. Take it and use it wisely. Watch this video to know how to use it, please. Don't say Naomi said to go and use dark spot corrector and my face became multicolored. Use it the way I have said to use it, and you will have good results. Once you clear your dark spots, drop it. It's not your face cream. It's not your face cream. Look for a moisturizer and be moisturizing your face. This one is not your face cream. It is a dark spot corrector. Clear dark spots, remove. Okay? I hope I have answered your question regarding what can I use for dark spots. If you have questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer. If I know the answer to it, I will answer you. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. It's also this video, because I had somebody message me this morning and say, hey, please, what can I use for dark spots? What can I use for dark spots? I said, okay, you know what? Let me give the people what they want. Use this for your dark spots directly, and use a moisturizer, and you are good to go. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or turn on your notification bell, or if not, some days when I upload video, you won't see it. You go and buy what you don't need, spend money when you can buy something that's affordable. This face cream is, I think, 300 naira, 500 naira, and it works. That is why you should turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out. Okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.